Today we're going to prepare a Sazarac 43. Even doggies like them. Right? Come here, doggy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Want to taste? Boy. Here's some of the things we're going to need. We have our cocktail glass, an orange. We have a muddler. We have a knife to cut the orange, some ice. I have a mug to muddle in. Here are some maraschino cherries. Now, they're not the Luxardo brand from Italy, which are really good, and those got emptied out of this jar, and these are regular cheapo maraschino cherries. Okay, and now we're going to get into the liquor cabinet. We need some rye whiskey. Other kinds of whiskey will do, but that's what we're going to use. Oh, I didn't happen to mention we need a 1 ounce jigger here too. We need Licor 43 from Spain. That's going to be our sweetener and add lots and lots of flavor. We have Angostura bitters, which are really famous for the old-fashioned. Sazarac is really a glorified old-fashioned. 2 more ingredients that make it a Sazarac. One is Pachad's bitters from New Orleans, and of course Sazarac's a New Orleans drink. The other is the famous absinthe, which was banned everywhere for a long time. And if you can't find this, you could probably do without it and make a real similar drink, but it adds a nice touch. All right, let's look down at the operating table here. And we're going to start out using a paper towel. Now, the way you traditionally make a Sazarac, you pour some absinthe in the glass and swirl it around and dump the excess out. Well, I'm a little tight on my absinthe since it costs about $50 a bottle. I'm just going to put a little bit on a paper towel. Oop, I got too much. And cork it off. Get it out of our way. And I'm going to rub it on the inside of the glass here. And I'll just squeeze out the excess too and put it in. Okay, so there's our absinthe. Next, we're going to cut a couple orange slices here. We'll cut 2 slices of orange. Put the rest away. And I'm going to cut these in half. We'll save one of them for garnish. We're going to put the other 3 in our muddle cup. And we're also going to put in a maraschino cherry. Okay. We're going to muddle up some delicious fruit juice here. Just push these down. Really get some essence of fruit here. Oh yeah. Muddle, muddle, muddle. All right. Now we'll pour this in our cocktail glass. And we get a lot of color and flavor. Next thing we're going to do, put in 2 ounces of Jack Daniel's rye whiskey. Any kind of rye whiskey, and if you don't have rye whiskey, you could try another whiskey, a bourbon or different things. There's 1 ounce. 2 ounces. A little more wouldn't hurt, but just stick there. Then we're going to take our Licor 43 from Spain, named 43 because there's 43 secret ingredients in it. Okay, and we're going to do 1 ounce of this. We won't need any sugar syrup. It's a pretty sweet liqueur, so that'll sweeten the drink up really well. Okay. Next, we're going to do 1 dash of Angostura. These two bitters are called the salt and pepper of cocktails. Okay. A little Angostura. Let's put in twice as much of the Pechades, because this is really one of the things that make a Sazerac. Okay. We're going to stir. Alrighty. We're going to top it off with ice. We're going to put an orange in it. We're going to put 1 more cherry in it. Yep. Okay. And I want to do 1 more thing. I'm going to put just not to ruin the recipe, but just put a little dash of whiskey on top, just in case I got shorted to drink any. And voila! Here we have it. The Sazerac 43. Ready to drink. Let's see how it is. Excellent. Cheers. Salud. Hasta la próxima.